Hello people. So as I told you, we are going to make a KPI object from scratch into a widget. Okay, I have already made a library here. I'll so go and I'll just create one more widget here. Say KPI one. It doesn't really matters by giving the type of a widget, but it is good to give a type if you have one on your list. Now I have a KPI one. What you can do is let's say what type of KPI you want. So this is the preview. So I need a box first with 100% width, but a height of let's say 200 pixels or 100 pixels. I just need one title and big a big value for it. So I've assumed what I want. I can do it right here. Okay, or division width style width of 98%. Okay, I need some gap. Height of let's say 200 pixels for now. I'll give it a background color. Background I'll say gray. Okay, now I'll say p tag. Oh, sorry, p tag. Here I'll say title. I'll say p tag. I'll say number. Let's say 25 comma 555. Okay, I'll say hit save. And why it is not coming here? Okay, I'll just drag it here. I'll just refresh. I'll refresh this also. I don't know why, but still, I'll do the same. I'll select training. It's here. Okay. Now I have my title. I have my number, and I have my background also. So title should be on center. Okay, I have a title on center with I'll rather not give the font size. I'll just say H3 H3 4. I'll just give 2. No, I just want it a little big. Just not coming. Okay, fine. I'll say font hyphen size 220 pixels. Okay, I need 20 pixels. Same, I'll give it to my number. Okay, but number should be a little more bigger. 30 pixels. 200 pixels is much, I'll say 100. Okay, now I can give padding to let's say 5 pixels. Okay, I'll say padding top to 5. I'll say padding bottom to 5. Okay, and you can just or you can use your CSS skills to say padding like this. Okay, still it is a little big. I'll say 80, 70, 65 would be good. Okay, now I have CSS also. Now I'll define some class to it. I just don't want to crowd all the CSS here. Class container. I'll say container. I'll say container here. I'll cut this from here. I'll paste it down here. I'll format it. It is very nice to format your document. I'll say I'll cut this also. Okay. So I'll say center and title. Okay. So center class will be for this. Okay. And title class will be for this. Okay. So it is with the container dot title, and it should be class. See, same I'll give it to this one. I'll remove this. I just need the font size. I'll say center value. I'll copy this, paste, say value. Sorry. I'll say 30. I don't need this. I'll delete this. Perfect. Okay. Now I have everything. So I just cut the background color from here. I'll paste it right here. So we'll in future make some CSS properties to control this background color. As well as we'll make some CSS properties where we can control the font size, the color of this title and this value also. We'll make some properties here. So still it's not over. So I'll say border. I'm getting some suggestions. Very nice. I'll say radius. Okay. I'll give it a little curve of 20 pixels. Okay, like this. Now I'll say one more thing. Margin of 2 pixels. That's it. 5 pixels. Okay, now it's perfect. Now if I compress it also, it will retain its size. Okay. I'll say overflow to hidden. And still the overflow is coming because of the container. Not the container, actually the parent container. So I can decrease it to 98, 97%. Perfect. Okay. So my KPI is ready. So let's see how it looks here. I'll refresh this document, my application. KPI. I'll add it here. See? Perfect. This is how, and the rest of the CSS you can give. Let's say you want to give shadow to this, you want to give a line here. So just talking about the line, I can give a line to this title. I'll say border bottom, okay, of 1 pixels, solid, and a color, let's say FFF. Okay, sorry, I gave it to a container. I'm very sorry. It should be for a title. See? I have a line now. If I save it and if I refresh this page, I'll have a line there also. Okay. So this is how you can give the line and all. So I'll inspect it here one more time. Okay. I'll say container. I'll reduce the border to like this, to let's say 5 pixels. Margin is okay. Padding is there of up and down 5. If I remove the padding, it is not looking nice. Fine. So everything is actually moving fine. It's just the border which is concerning me a lot. I'll reduce it to 5 pixels. Now it is looking very decent. Okay. So if I refresh it here, hitting F5, refresh, and it will come right now. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom properties here and how to give a custom title, your number, everything. Okay. So meet you on the next session.